As life unfolds into its golden years, the prospect of travel takes on a new and invigorating dimension for seniors. Beyond the routine of daily life, travel offers a tapestry of experiences that can enhance physical well-being, stimulate the mind, and create lasting memories. It's a time when the world becomes an open invitation to explore, discover, and savor the richness that different destinations have to offer. This article serves as a guide to unlock the vast array of travel possibilities tailored specifically for seniors, ensuring that every journey is not just a trip but a rejuvenating adventure. The significance of travel for seniors extends far beyond leisure. It is a key ingredient for maintaining a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. Research consistently highlights the positive impact of travel on mental health, fostering a sense of joy, wonder, and accomplishment. Physically, the act of exploring new environments can invigorate the body, promoting activity and vitality. However, the journey for seniors requires thoughtful planning, taking into consideration unique health needs, mobility challenges, and budget constraints. In the following sections, we will delve into travel considerations for seniors, offering practical tips for planning, selecting suitable destinations, and ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable experience. From serene beach retreats to culturally rich explorations, this guide aims to inspire seniors to embark on fulfilling journeys, celebrating the richness of life through travel. So fasten your seatbelts, pack your bags, and let's embark on a journey tailored for the adventurous hearts of the silver-haired explorers. Traveling in the golden years brings forth a unique set of considerations that pave the way for a seamless and enjoyable experience. Health and mobility take center stage, and careful planning becomes the compass guiding senior adventurers toward destinations that cater to their specific needs. Health and mobility considerations. Embarking on a travel escapade as a senior necessitates a proactive approach to health. Before setting out, consulting with healthcare professionals is paramount. It ensures that any existing health concerns are addressed and precautions are taken to guarantee a safe journey. Additionally, choosing destinations with senior-friendly facilities and services becomes a crucial criterion. Opting for accommodations with easy accessibility and transportation options that accommodate mobility challenges ensures a stress-free experience. Budget considerations. Another key facet of senior travel is the financial aspect. Seniors often seek budget-friendly options that don't compromise on comfort. This section explores affordable travel alternatives, from exploring local gems to taking advantage of senior discounts on accommodations and transportation. Practical tips for budget management during travel will empower seniors to make the most of their adventures without breaking the bank. By addressing these considerations head-on, seniors can confidently step into the realm of travel, knowing that their journey is tailored to their unique needs. In the subsequent sections, we will explore destination ideas that align with these considerations, offering a diverse range of options for seniors seeking relaxation, adventure, and cultural enrichment. So, let's embark on this journey of discovery, where every consideration becomes a stepping stone toward memorable and fulfilling travel experiences for our cherished senior explorers. Part 3. Destinations suitable for seniors ACE. Seniors embark on their travel journey. The world unfolds with a tapestry of destinations thoughtfully designed to cater to diverse interests and comfort levels. These destinations offer a perfect blend of relaxation and exploration, ensuring that the travel experience is both rejuvenating and enriching, tailored to the unique needs and preferences of the senior traveler. Relaxing beach destinations. For those seeking the soothing sound of waves and the warmth of the sun, beach destinations stand out as idyllic escapes. This section explores serene coastal areas that not only provide a picturesque backdrop but also boast comfortable amenities. Seniors can indulge in leisurely strolls along the shoreline, bask in the sun, partake in gentle water sports, and relish the simple joy of unwinding by the sea. From the shores of Bali to the tranquility of the Maldives, these destinations offer a perfect blend of relaxation and natural beauty. Cultural and historical tours. Seniors with a penchant for history and cultural enrichment can find solace in destinations rich in heritage. This section delves into the charm of exploring museums, historical sites, and cultural landmarks. Whether it's walking through the ancient ruins of Rome, marveling at the architectural wonders of Kyoto, or experiencing the vibrant history of Istanbul, these destinations provide a stimulating and educational backdrop for seniors eager to immerse themselves in the stories of the past. Cruise vacations. Cruises present an all-inclusive and comfortable option for senior travelers. This section discusses the advantages of cruising, where seniors can explore multiple destinations without the hassle of constant packing and unpacking. From river cruises along the Danube to ocean voyages through the Caribbean, cruise vacations offer a leisurely and enjoyable way for seniors to see the world while enjoying the amenities and services on board. Nature retreats. For those who find solace in the embrace of nature, this section explores national parks and nature reserves tailored to senior travelers. With gentle hiking trails, bird watching opportunities, and breathtaking natural scenery, these destinations offer a peaceful escape for seniors seeking a closer connection to the great outdoors. By exploring these diverse destinations, seniors can tailor their travel experiences to align with their interests and comfort, ensuring that each journey is not only a destination, but a transformative adventure. So, let's navigate the possibilities and discover the perfect destination for our senior explorers. Part 4. Travel tips for seniors. While the allure of travel for seniors is undeniable, a seamless and enjoyable experience hinges on careful planning and consideration of specific needs. This section delves into practical travel tips tailored to seniors, ensuring that each journey is not only a memorable adventure but also a comfortable and stress-free endeavor. Packing tips for seniors. Efficient packing is an art that becomes even more crucial for seniors. This subsection offers insights into selecting lightweight and comfortable clothing, considering the climate and activities at the destination. It provides a checklist of essential items to bring, emphasizing the importance of medications, comfortable footwear, and any necessary mobility aids. By packing smartly, seniors can ensure they have everything they need without the burden of excess luggage. Transportation considerations. Choosing the right mode of transportation is key to a smooth travel experience. This section explores senior-friendly transportation options, from airlines offering extra assistance to cruise lines with accessible facilities. Tips for comfortable and stress-free travel, including the importance of booking direct flights and allowing ample time for connections, empower seniors to navigate the journey with ease. Group travel options. Embarking on group travel provides seniors with a sense of community and shared experiences. This subsection discusses the advantages of traveling with senior groups, such as enhanced safety, camaraderie, and access to group discounts. It also provides recommendations for finding or organizing group trips, allowing seniors to explore the world with like-minded companions. By incorporating these travel tips, seniors can embark on their journeys well-prepared and with confidence. This section serves as a valuable guide, ensuring that the logistical aspects of travel align seamlessly with the desire for exploration and relaxation. As we delve into the specifics of packing, transportation, and group dynamics, seniors can focus on the joy of discovery, creating memories that will last a lifetime. So let's unravel the practicalities and make every senior travel experience a seamless and enriching adventure. Part 4. Travel tips for seniors. As seniors embark on their travel adventures, navigating the intricacies of planning becomes paramount to ensure a journey that is not only memorable, but also comfortable and stress-free. This section delves into practical travel tips tailored to seniors, providing valuable insights to enhance their travel experiences and make each trip a seamless exploration. Packing tips for seniors. The art of efficient packing takes center stage for seniors. This subsection offers valuable advice on selecting lightweight and comfortable clothing suitable for the destination and activities. A checklist of essential items is provided, emphasizing the importance of medications, comfortable footwear, and any necessary mobility aids. By packing strategically, seniors can travel with ease, carrying everything needed without the burden of excessive luggage. Transportation considerations. Selecting the right mode of transportation is a pivotal aspect of travel planning. This section explores senior-friendly transportation options, from airlines that offer extra assistance to cruise lines with accessible facilities. Tips for comfortable and stress-free travel are provided, including the significance of booking direct flights, allowing ample time for connections, and communicating specific needs to transportation providers. This empowers seniors to navigate their journey smoothly from departure to arrival. Group travel options. Embarking on group travel offers seniors a unique sense of community and shared experiences. This subsection discusses the advantages of traveling with senior groups, such as increased safety, camaraderie, and access to group discounts. Practical recommendations for finding or organizing group trips are provided, giving seniors the opportunity to explore the world with like-minded companions and forge lasting connections. By integrating these travel tips into their plans, seniors can embark on their journeys well prepared, allowing them to focus on the joy of discovery and relaxation. As we delve into the specifics of packing, transportation, and group dynamics, the goal is to empower seniors to make the most of their travel experiences, creating cherished memories and embracing the adventure that awaits. So, let's unravel the practicalities and make every senior travel experience a seamless and enriching exploration. If you would like to see more videos like this one, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Comment subscribed below this video and I will personally reply back. Part 4. Staying connected during travel. In an era where connectivity knows no bounds, staying in touch with loved ones during travel is both feasible and crucial, especially for seniors. This section underscores the importance of maintaining connections and harnessing technology to bridge the geographical gap, ensuring that the travel experience remains enriched by sharing moments with family and friends. Importance of staying connected. As seniors venture into new destinations, the significance of staying connected with their support network cannot be overstated. Regular communication not only provides reassurance to family and friends, but also serves as a lifeline in case of emergencies. This section explores the emotional benefits of staying in touch, emphasizing how shared experiences, even from a distance, contribute to a sense of belonging and well-being. Utilizing technology for communication. Modern technology opens up a myriad of ways for seniors to stay connected effortlessly. From video calls to instant messaging, this subsection delves into user-friendly applications and devices that facilitate seamless communication. Practical tips for navigating time zone differences and ensuring access to reliable internet connections empower seniors to make the most of technology to share their travel adventures with loved ones. By actively incorporating these strategies, seniors can embark on their journeys with the confidence that they remain connected to the support and love of their social circle. The power of technology transforms travel from a solo adventure into a shared experience, ensuring that the joys and discoveries are not only personal but also resonate with those who matter most. As we explore the possibilities of staying connected, let's embrace the transformative impact of technology on senior travel, turning each adventure into a collective celebration of life's rich tapestry. Part 6. Conclusion. As we conclude this exploration into travel ideas for seniors, the overarching theme resonates with the belief that travel is not just a journey, it is a transformative adventure designed to enrich the lives of those in their golden years. Seniors, armed with careful considerations, destination insights, and practical tips, are poised to embark on a chapter of exploration, relaxation, and connection. Reflecting on the various facets discussed, it becomes evident that travel offers seniors a unique avenue to promote physical well-being, stimulate mental faculties, and create enduring memories. The considerations outlined, from health and budgetary aspects to destination choices, underscore the importance of tailored planning to ensure a comfortable and fulfilling travel experience. Destinations suitable for seniors, whether the serene beaches, culturally rich cityscapes, cruising on open waters, or immersing in nature's embrace present an array of choices to cater to the diverse interests. These destinations beckon seniors to savor every moment, creating a balance between relaxation and exploration. Practical travel tips for seniors, spanning efficient packing, transportation considerations, and the option of group travel, serve as a roadmap to navigate the logistical intricacies of their journeys. By embracing these tips, seniors can confidently set forth, knowing that their adventures are well planned and equipped for a smooth and enjoyable experience. Staying connected during travel emerges as a crucial component, emphasizing that the joy of exploration is magnified when shared with loved ones. Harnessing technology enables seniors to bridge distances, fostering a sense of togetherness that transcends geographical boundaries. In essence, travel for seniors is an invitation to celebrate life's richness, a call to explore new horizons, and an opportunity to create lasting memories.